Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use the Audi Q7 jack. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface, the parking brake is engaged, and the wheels are chalked. Safety is paramount when working under any vehicle. Familiarize yourself with your car's specific jack points, usually marked near the wheel wells. Once you've identified the correct jack point, position the jack directly underneath it. Make sure the jack saddle, the part that contacts the car, is perfectly aligned with the vehicle's designated lifting point. This ensures even weight distribution and prevents damage to your Audi Q7's undercarriage. Double-check that the jack is stable and not wobbly. Now, slowly begin to raise the vehicle by turning the jack handle. Watch carefully to ensure the car lifts evenly and the jack remains stable. Only lift the vehicle high enough to comfortably perform your work. Once the car is at the desired height, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame for crucial support. Never rely solely on the jack. With your task complete, carefully remove the jack stands from beneath the vehicle. Then, slowly and steadily lower your Audi Q7 back to the ground using the jack's release mechanism. Once fully lowered, remove the jack and store all your tools properly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.